We're about to show you how to make an ad in 100 seconds. Let's get into it. Once you sign in and select your preferred AI models, you can either create a character or write a script. Here, we will create a character first. Start with a brief profile of your character, then select their voice. This is what's used for lip sync clips. Filter by accent or keyword to find the right match. Next, generate the image. Adjust prompts or edit as needed. Now, script writing. Let the AI write one for you or do it manually. When writing manually, type the character's name in all caps for a lip sync clip. Use narrator v.o. for a narrator voiceover. Once your script is set, choose the narrator voice. Your voiceover is generated. And here's where it gets good. Scenes are automatically split for you. No manual slicing. It's all done. Use split mode if you want to fine-tune. Split further or merge scenes, whatever fits your story. Next, image prompts are generated for all scenes. The template keeps your visuals consistent, so you're solving that problem up front instead of fixing it later. Head to Visuals, set your aspect ratio, and images are generated. Edit or replace any image as you go. Final step, video. Select camera movements and batch convert. Generation continues even if you close the app. When you're back, everything syncs automatically. That's it. Simple and efficient. Now check out the ad that is created.
I designed flying machines, robots, and underwater gear in the 1500s. I was basically running a one-person tech startup.
And today, you get to do your own genius thing, turning ideas into scripts, images, and videos in one app. He had notebooks. You have Vimerse. I think you win.